Welcome to Baya English. If you understand English, but you feel blocked when you try to speak, this practice is for you. For the next 10 minutes, you will train your mouth, your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. This is a shadowing practice. Here is how it works. First, listen to the sentence. Then, pause the video if you need more time. Repeat the sentence out loud. Do not repeat only in your mind. Speak with your voice. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and try to copy the rhythm of the sentence. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Every time you repeat, your English becomes more natural. Let's begin. Part 1. Simple daily English sentences. Listen first, then pause the video, repeat out loud. Ready? I am ready to start. Pause the video and repeat. I am learning English, step by step. Pause the video and repeat. I want to speak English more naturally. Pause the video and repeat. I practice a little every day. Pause the video and repeat. I don't need to be perfect. Pause the video and repeat. I just need to keep going. Pause the video and repeat. English is becoming easier for me. Pause the video and repeat. I can understand more than before. Pause the video and repeat. I feel more confident when I speak. Pause the video and repeat. Every sentence helps me improve. Pause the video and repeat. Good. Now continue with me. Try to speak a little louder. Try to say each sentence with confidence. I listen carefully. Pause the video and repeat. I repeat slowly. Pause the video and repeat. I speak clearly. Pause the video and repeat. I speak with confidence. Pause the video and repeat. I make mistakes, and that is okay. Pause the video and repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Pause the video and repeat. I am improving every day. Pause the video and repeat. I believe in my progress. Pause the video and repeat. I can do this. Pause the video and repeat. I will keep practicing. Pause the video and repeat. My English is getting better. Pause the video and repeat. Excellent. You are doing well. Remember, shadowing is not about being fast. It is about listening, repeating, and training your mouth. Now, let's move to part 2. Part 2. Real English conversation sentences. These are useful phrases you can use with real people. Listen carefully. Pause the video after each sentence. Then repeat out loud. How are you today? Pause the video and repeat. I'm doing well, thank you. Pause the video and repeat. What about you? Pause the video and repeat. That sounds great. Pause the video and repeat. Can you repeat that, please? Pause the video and repeat. I didn't understand everything. Pause the video and repeat. Could you speak more slowly? Pause the video and repeat. I'm still learning English. Pause the video and repeat. I need a little more practice. Pause the video and repeat. That's very interesting. Pause the video and repeat. Good. Now, imagine you are speaking with a real person. Do not speak like a robot. Speak naturally. Speak calmly. Let's continue. Now, before we continue, take a slow breath. You are not only learning words, you are training your speaking habit. The more you repeat, the easier speaking becomes. Now, let's move to part 3. Part 3. Confidence and fluency sentences. In this part, repeat each sentence with emotion. Say it like you believe it. Listen first. Pause the video. Then repeat out loud. I speak English with confidence. Pause the video and repeat. I don't feel afraid to speak. Pause the video and repeat. I can express my ideas. Pause the video and repeat. My voice is calm and clear. Pause the video and repeat. I take my time when I speak. Pause the video and repeat. I don't rush. Pause the video and repeat. I breathe slowly. Pause the video and repeat. I listen to the rhythm. Pause the video and repeat. I repeat with energy. Pause the video. Stay with me. The last sentences are important. This is where your confidence gets stronger. Repeat clearly. Repeat with intention. I am proud of my effort. Pause the video and repeat. I am building a strong habit. Pause the video and repeat. 10 minutes a day can change my English. Pause the video and repeat. Small practice creates big results. Pause the video and repeat. I can speak even when I make mistakes. Pause the video and repeat. I can start a conversation in English. Pause the video and repeat. I can answer simple questions clearly. Pause the video and repeat. I can practice without feeling embarrassed. Pause the video and repeat. I will not stop. Pause the video and repeat. I will continue. Pause the video and repeat. I am becoming better. Pause the video and remember this. The secret is not perfection. The secret is repetition. If you repeat these sentences every day, your pronunciation will improve, your confidence will grow, and speaking English will become more natural. Come back to this video again. Listen, pause, repeat, speak out loud, and practice every day. Thank you for practicing with Baya English. See you in the next lesson.